YouTube, what's up? Got another video lined up for y'all today, and it's a good one. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I gotta get this off of the floor. So there's a little bit of a story behind this, but I won't try not to bore y'all too much. I'll just say it like this. Long story short, I bought a new screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I got it. I started filming the video on how to install it on my phone. Turns out I bought the wrong size screen protector. Yeah, your boy was not happy. Anyways, thank gosh that they started, thank goodness, thank G Willikers that they started selling something at your local Best Buy. Because I've got one on order from dbrand that's going to get shipped to me, but I don't want to wait that long to use my phone. So I went to Best Buy, picked it up, gave it away already, kind of. That's going to be the dbrand Prism case. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn on some lighting and see if this makes it a little better, okay? Because I want you guys to be able to see. So this is going to be the dbrand Prism screen protector. I said case, but I meant screen protector, okay? So we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and set up my cameras. We're going to watch me install these screen protectors, following their instructions from dbrand. See how easy it is, because they say on here that it is idiot-proof screen protector install. We're going to see how idiot-proof it is. So without further ado, let's get to it. Great reveal of the displays right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to do a separate video where I compare the iPhone and kind of tell you guys the pros and the cons between the different ones. But without further ado, let's go ahead and that's so satisfying right there. We got that first peel on that 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange, aka Creamsicle. And bring this one up for this one right here. Oh, another satisfying moment. Okay, so we've got both of our phones ready to rock and roll. Now I've got a light shining down on this. You guys, I don't know if you can see right there, that's the anti-reflective coating. I'll be honest, I don't really care about that personally. If you like that, if that's what you rock with, if that's what's important to you, that's cool. But for me personally, I could give two cares about the anti-reflective coating. I've got an S25 Ultra, which is what I'm filming this top-down view from. This is the S25 Ultra, and I've got a screen protector on it. Okay, so we have already did the screen peel reveal. Y'all know what that's about. So I got the phones right here. I'm gonna slide those out of there, but let's take a look. This is my first debranded screen protector that I've ever had to use or I've ever tried out. So y'all know they already got something slick to say on the side. So the idiot-proof screen protector. This is gonna be the kind that, again, you can purchase at Best Buy. I'm getting one in the mail, so I'm curious on how the packaging is from that. Let's go through it together, y'all. Nice and easy. Number one, it talks about easy installation. We're gonna see if that's true. Scratch proof. Premium tempered glass. Okay, we're gonna see how strong and how well this holds up. Ultra precise Prism is meticulously designed, edge to edge fit. We're gonna test that, we're gonna see. Zero dust, Prism statically charged peel layer, eliminates dust and debris. We gonna see. And it's supposed to have no fingerprints because it has a oleophobic coating. I hope I said that right, but you guys already see right here. Okay, I'm gonna show this. This is the cool little installation guide that they include. Says all of that stuff that I just went over with you guys. Not installation guide. I don't know why I said installation guide. This is gonna have all the information kind of about the screen protector, the things that it can do, why, you know, the benefits you're getting from dbrand. First off, I'm feeling it. So this was about like 35 bucks at Best Buy. And surprisingly, they actually had quite a few of these in stock. So I was able to go get it. Some things about this real quick. It is going to be made in one of the greatest countries in the world, Canada. So it is Canada made, okay? So represent Canada. Let's go ahead and open this up. We already sliced that back open using the patented samurai sword for the Bobby G channel. Let's go ahead and see what we get inside of here. So this is going to be very similar to, I feel like, the one that you get from dbrand Direct. Packaging obviously looks a whole lot nicer for the store-facing product. This is going to be the installation right here. There's the screen protector. As you guys can see right here, here's the screen protector. Then of course, let's see what else you get in here. So besides the screen protector itself, it says scan for instructions. So it's got a little instruction guide you can scan. Comes with a little microfiber cloth. Comes also with the little squeegee. And it's like some dbrand alcohol wipes. So you get 4 alcohol wipes with dbrand, microfiber. This is the cleaning kit that it talks about. Again, like I just mentioned to you guys. And guess what? For 35 bucks, you do get 2 screen protectors. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look. Let's see what we got as far as installation goes, okay? So it says it's idiot proof. Okay, that's what it promises, right? So what do y'all think? Y'all think we should just go for it? Should we just go for it? No reading of instructions. Let's see if it's really idiot proof. Should we risk it for the biscuit or should we read some instructions? What do y'all think? All right, so we're back at it right now. Let's go ahead and get this started, okay? So I had these covered up just to kind of minimize the dustage on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out for right now. Let's take that out, set that to the side. Let's do it one at a time, okay? So you guys are gonna do it with me. So I'm assuming we're gonna start off with the alcohol wipe. Let's go ahead and open that up. Bring in our alcohol wipe. Give it a little swipe, swipety swipe. Just gonna go all the way top to bottom. Give it the nice little cleaning motion. No fuss, no muss. Okay, now that we done alcoholed it, got it nice and drunk and tipsy, let's go ahead and bring in our microfiber cloth and dry it off. So we got this, this thing is compact and packed in. Now we got our microfiber right here. We just come through and dry this. Just gonna dry what we just put on there. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's bring in our screen protector. So it's important at this point that you make sure, okay, y'all make sure that the pyramid right here is at the top and then the pull tab is at the bottom, okay? Just make sure it's pushed down on there. Nice and secure to your screen. Okay, secure on the top, secure on the bottom. And go ahead and do our pull tab. Okay, and we're gonna bring our finger down the middle, that little swipe line. Supposed to rate, I think, like 5 seconds. So 1, Mississippi, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish. Okay, so now we did that. Let's go ahead and peel. You're gonna peel from the top. Peel from the top. Take off our holder. Okay, and as you guys can see on there, we do have a little bit of follow-up to do. That's why Bobby says, bring in your squeegee. You're gonna squeegee out those lines. Okay, let's go around there. Get out those bubbles, just squeegee it. So we've got some more bubbles on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our microfiber and then just use our finger to kind of push those bubbles out. Okay, get some bubbles on this side. Or put your microfiber on your hand. And I think that's it, y'all. And that's it, screen protector's on. Installed, got rid of the bubbles. So tell me guys what you guys think. How good of a job did I do? I think I did pretty good. What do y'all think? What do you guys think? Pretty good screen install? Okay. Let's see if I can go 2 for 0 for 2. Okay, let's bring in our second one. If you guys want, y'all can forward, but I'm just gonna do this again, see if I get better, like a fine wine with time. Bring in our alcohol white, give it a swipey all the way down. Swipe, 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 swipe. Clean it up nice and pretty. Put that to the side. Dry it off with my microfiber. Microfiber drying it off. Okay, now that I got my microfiber, let's go ahead and bring in our second one. No frills, no stills this time. Make that sure that's secure on the top. You don't want it to be unsecure. Hold that securely, pull that down. Bring our swipe down the middle. Let's go ahead and wait 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 stay alive. Okay, now that we can let it sit and marinate just a little bit, let's go ahead and pull it up. Okay, so second time's the charm. Looks like I did better on this one. Got a couple of areas I need to squeegee out. Okay, so let me just get the edges right there. Got a bubble on this side. We're just gonna squeegee out that bubble. Y'all are seeing me do this real time, okay? So for the bigger bubbles, use the squeegee. If you got smaller bubbles in there, just take the microfiber, kind of wrap it around your finger, and then just push those small bubbles out to the edge, okay? Or if you got a little bit of edging, whoa, pause. A little bit of edge issues. What are you talking about, Bobby? Make sure you go ahead and just take that microfiber around the edge, just to push out those pesky bubbles. All right, almost got it. There you go. Second time around, what do y'all think? Did I do it better this time? That's a little piece of dust on there. Did I do it better this time? Was I more efficient? What y'all think? How does it look? How does this second install look? What y'all think? I think that looks even better. All right, so y'all saw real time me install these 2 dbrand Prism screen protectors on these 2 different color iPhone 17 Pro Maxes. Tell me what you guys think. Is it something you can get down with? It was relatively easy to install. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and I think it turned out too well. Now, I'll be honest with you, is it the best and easiest installation I've had with screen protectors? No. There's been other screen protector brands that I've done the install and I had 0 bubbles. Like, it went on flawlessly. But all in all, this one, the bubbles, they weren't too hard to get out, and now the installs look really good. So I'll tell you one thing and then we can close out this, y'all. Besides the pretty simplistic install of the screen, I'll tell you what dbrand does right that other brands for some reason today are failing. Something the dbrand did right is on their screen protectors, it doesn't have that ugly black border around the edge, okay? I don't know why these brands of screen protectors are doing these black borders around the edge of their screen protectors. It looks fugly. But this one does not have that issue. Thank goodness it is all clear, edge to edge. So I'm not complaining there, okay? So really and truly, guys, thanks for staying here with me to see me install this screen protector. I appreciate you guys so much. Like always, if you think you want to get one, I'll probably try to link this in the comments section for you guys to pick up. Remember, it doesn't cost you nothing extra, but it helps out the channel. Okay, so without further ado, it's your boy Bobby G. Hope you guys are enjoying your new iPhone 17 Pro Maxes, 17 Pros, or 17s. dbrand 2.0 Prism screen protector install. Let's get it, y'all. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace.